Hi there guys, Liam from LiamKByrne.com and ZenYogaHealth, just checking in with you on this Wednesday the 3rd of October 2018. Just a quick word of motivation once again. We've come into a new month, so it's often the case that one's enthusiasm, which was so rich and so full in September, is beginning to fade a little bit. It's completely normal. So maybe you missed a class, or maybe you missed the renewal of the class, or whatever it happens to be. So don't worry, look, it's okay, it's perfectly normal. And just think about this, that between now and the craziness of the holiday season, I don't even want to say the word, you have a good 10-11 weeks before that all begins to happen. So if you were to begin something now, whether it be a course of treatment or a class or something, some other goal you have in mind, then there is just loads of time to really make progress with that before you have to start focusing on other things, whether it's going away, if you're lucky enough to go away over end of December, beginning of January. Again, the holiday shall remain nameless, or if you're involved with things here. So don't get discouraged, there's loads of time. Even if you can't quite join up to something now, even if it was midway through the month or even at the end of the month, you'd still have a good 4, 5, 6 weeks or so. So do not despair. A few other things. In terms, again, of beginning new things, you may have seen my 5 a.m. club blog post. I'm going to try and make a video about that. If you didn't, there's a link in the description above or below somewhere on this Facebook post. And you should definitely go ahead and have a look and see what you think. It's been getting quite a good response, so thank you to people who've contacted me about that, and I hope you're all doing well, taking those steps, if it's something you're interested in, to go ahead and start getting up earlier and getting more happiness and fun out of each day. I will also leave a couple of links here to the latest Pilates and yoga shortened versions of the classes on ZenYogaHealth. And last but not least, you may have noticed that finally, after planning and thinking about it for such a long time, I integrated a shop into LiamKByrne.com. There is one lonely item on there, predictably enough a yoga mat, but I will be selecting lots of cool, interesting and fun products for you to take a look at and hopefully improve and enhance your experience of everyday life over the coming days, weeks and months. So thank you so very much, guys. If you have any questions at all about yoga or Pilates or any of the therapies I do, acupuncture or neuromuscular therapy or so on, then please do get in touch. I would love to hear from you. It could be via Facebook, email, Pinterest, Instagram, wherever you can reach me. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for listening, and I will see you all again on the yoga or Pilates mat soon.